wood drumsticks, drum brushes, and drum rods. In this video, I'll show you what's in my drumstick bag: a pair of traditional wood drumsticks, drum brushes, and drum rods. I'll show you what each sounds like and how and why to use them. Let's get started by going to our drum set. I'll leave links to all of the items shown in the description below this video in case you want to check them out. Let me start with the traditional wood drumsticks. Wood drumsticks are often made out of maple, hickory, or oak, and come in different sizes, like 2B, 5A, 5B, and 7A, for example. This is what they sound like striking the snare drum. They are quite loud and have a distinctive sound. This is what they sound like on a cymbal. Next, let's take a look at the drum rods. They're made from a cluster of dowels. They come in different sizes like cool rods, lightning rods, hot rods, and thunder rods, for example. They have a softer attack than traditional drumsticks, good for quieter playing. Let's listen to them strike the snare drum. Notice their unique chick sound. Now let's listen to them on the cymbal. Finally, let's take a look at the drum brushes. They are usually made up of either nylon or metal bristles. These are metal. The pair you see here are retractable and work like this. Let's hear what they sound like on the snare drum. They have an interesting scratch sound, and of the three, they are the quietest. They are used a lot in jazz, but I love playing them in different musical genres. Let's listen to what the brushes sound like on the cymbal. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.